places for a few days. Wanted to scout out the properties. Looking like I won a lottery. None of that hate really bothered me. YouTube 3 years, they don't wanna see me blow. They don't wanna hear the flow, but that's usually how I go. Bankroll, bankroll, the bank tells them my name. My life now not the same. I got money with the fame. PayPal with the transfer, brought my mama straight to tears. Get her a ride and steered. She ain't paid rent in years. Couldn't park at the store. I got butterfly doors. One space need more. Somebody rally the score. My music is hot. Bitch nigga give me my credit. Sending shots without a medic. 4 bands for my edits. My ex is ha 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 ha. They regret it. Yeah nigga I said it. 200 bands on my debit. Got enough education. I'm a college dropout. Same nigga that I doubt be the main one begging for my clout. Yeah. I mean, these niggas just, you know, they don't understand what I've been through, man. And, you know, I got all this shit on my own, my nigga, you know what I'm saying? You know, I'm just out here trying to get respect, but at the same time, it's like, fuck you, you know what I'm saying? But I guess it's just me venting right now. It's whatever, though. Yeah. Why you rap about the money? I ain't never had shit. Told myself don't quit. Watch how you get rich. Niggas see me in Pontiac, they don't never ever wanna speak. Send a text, let's meet. Nigga, I been for weeks. I don't usually like go home, cause I know niggas hate a lot. I'll probably get shot, and we don't even got cops. Cold case on my big bro, but we all know did it. 10K, we'll split it. Guaranteed it won't miss it. Niggas really used to struggle. Mama really had to hustle. 2 jobs had to juggle. But we good now, I'm humble. Private client at the Chase. I got a personal banker. Super G's on my ass. Used to be at Walmart buying Wrangler. Gas station 2 a.m. Bustin' Hershey's out the rapper. Don't compare me to a rapper. I make more than a rapper. Go to school for 4 years. 50K be your salary. I just made 50K in a week. Take a pic for my gallery. I don't really be trying to stunt on nobody. It's just like, you gotta understand when you come from nothing, you know. You gotta have something to show for it, man, you know what I'm saying? Where I come from, niggas ain't too successful, you know. So, I like to show what I got. 50K in a week, nigga, no boost, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Check neck, check wrist, they just with the Cubans. 100K on the ice, so I'm cautious when I'm moving. I don't go to the club, pussy is not that important. Through my contact sort, I got holes out in Portland. I notice, we don't talk too often. You gon' claim we was best friends when I'm dead and gone in my coffin. I don't hang around you niggas, now you probably know the reasons. I be chillin' by myself out the way trying to get through the seasons. Niggas think I'm a goofy, let me make a little statement. Don't come at me reckless, them videos for entertainment. I did this shit on my own, I got the chick on my own. Bitch, I'm flyer than a drone, so you better watch your tone. 10K for a feature, I had to get off the bleachers. Why the fuck would you stay in school when you making more than a teacher? Nigga, I did it. Oh God, all the glory. Could've been dead and broke, but you know, they don't wanna hear my story. Yeah. Man, I just wanna say, you know, I'ma continue doing what I do, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna let these no good ass niggas, you know what I'm saying, try to bring me down and, you know what I'm saying, tell me I'm not good enough, you know what I'm saying, but I'ma just let this music take off and let it speak for itself, you know. Yeah, we up now. Let's get it. Hey.
Right check 1 2 ay. Right check 1 2 ay. Me and Shawty on the highway, going back to my place. We went in the driveway, pocket in the driveway.
Cuban like my chain, going to a high stage. She gon' come to my place, do whatever I say. Got a little shawty, she off of Molly, she in love with the drugs. Wanna fuck when I'm done, kick it out, no time for fun. If you talking, show me what's up, got let's take with the drum. Now you quiet, how it's supposed to be, little nigga, you look dumb.
I been in this bitch in my space. What he got that shit, he got that shit, big back across state. When I find a shawty, she can't never stay in my place. I can't never fuck cause I don't know what I'm alone like. She be on the cover, I can't let it show. Shawty let her trap me, she cook and sell the dough. If you ever got it, place. Be way in the driveway, pocket in the driveway.
Cuban like my chain, going to a high stage. She gon' come to my place, do whatever I say. Got a little shawty, she off of Molly, she in love with the drugs. Wanna fuck when I'm done, kick it out, no time for fun. If you talking, show me what's up, got let's echo with the drum. Now you quiet, how it's supposed to be, little nigga, you look dumb.
I been in this bitch in my space. What he got that shit, he gotta ship it back across state. When I find a shawty, she can't ever stay in my place. I can't ever fuck cause I don't know what I'm gonna lose.
Won't lose, tryna play the part, but I won't let you though. Not heroic, I can't say these hoes, but damn, she flexible. So I bend it like a pretzel, bend it over, touch your toes. Say my name real loud, so your neighbors know I'm home. That little bitch insane, come around tryna pick my brain, but I can't let her though. She thinks she a clever hoe. Now her boyfriend know, she turned to a lonely hoe. All her friends know, hit my line one next door.
Highway, going back to my place. Be way in the driveway, pocket in the driveway.
Cuban like my chain, going to a high stage. She gon' come to my place, do whatever I say. Got a little shawty, she off of Molly,